and all them mountains, you know.
Montego Bay devastation is what Hurricane Melissa did. Yes guys, this a little dark, you know. But I can see how some of these giant guys look like the fast fire pass through them guys. You know, guys, keep watching, like the video, like and subscribe guys.
Trying to take over this pain, trying to take over my life.
Guys, we have reached this part of the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to share, and guys, please remember to pray for your brother and sister that Hurricane Melissa have devastation. They don't have anywhere to sleep, nowhere to lay their head, no food to eat. Please remember to pray for them, and God bless you. Boy, Run MC Vlog. I'm out. Remember the song said, if I can help somebody as I pass along, then my living would not be in vain. Keep blessed, keep safe.
I'm about to go insane. I've got you on my mind.